Most singers don't realize they're making a small mistake that makes singing harder, ruins their pitch, and even can damage the voice. But today I'm going to fix that for you. Hello everyone, it's Andre.mik and you're welcome to my channel, Singing Lessons with Andre.mik. Hit subscribe so you never miss a chance to take your singing to the next level. Today we'll talk about how you can improve your singing by learning a very simple but useful and effective exercise. This is an exercise which will help you understand a very important secret of singing. Singing is a resonance, the vibration of your voice created by the air passing through your vocal cords. In other words, by breathing. That's when it's done correctly. With the wrong technique, you can still sing using the muscles. In that case, it will be much harder to sing. You can have pitch problems, your vibrato can sound unnatural, and you can even damage your voice. To avoid this, you need to sing using your resonance. It sounds difficult, but there are exercises which can help you to feel and to hear that resonance. I'm offering several variations of this exercise because one can suit you great, but maybe will not suit others. Please try them all and choose the one that feels most comfortable for you. All these variations differ only in sound and mouth shape. The main idea is to sing any warm-ups and songs using this sound and mouth shape. But in this video we will break it down using only one warm-up as an example. So the three variations are B, B, V, V, and Z. Zzz. The idea is that we turn our body into a wind instrument. The air will come out of the lungs, supported from the lower abdomen, move upward and exit in a thin stream through our mouth and teeth, thanks to the mouth shape and the sound we form. The focus here is on the resonance. You need to feel the vibration with your lips or with your teeth. And of course, the support of your breath. I mean, you need to feel your lower abdomen naturally pulling inward. So let's start with B. In the first variation, the lips are the closest together, almost closed, with only a very small gap between them. The teeth remain apart. It's important to feel a strong vibration on the lips. If the vibration disappears, it means you closed your lips too much. The vibration should be strong. Often you may feel a tickling sensation on your lips. This is normal and even a good sign if it happens. Personally, I prefer this variation. In my opinion, it produces the best effect. The second variation is V. In the second variation, the lips are slightly more open, with a bit more space between them. The teeth remain apart. Again, it's important to feel a strong vibration on the lips. Also here you may feel a tickling sensation on your lips. This variation works more often for my students, though it's slightly less effective. The third is Z. Zzz. In the third variation, the lips do not touch at all and are open. Here you can try keeping the teeth apart, almost closing them while leaving a small gap, or closing them completely. The important thing is to feel the vibration on the teeth. And this is the easiest way to perform this exercise with Z sound. So always practice this exercise. Sing any warm-ups, any of your favorite songs with the sound that works best for you. Don't get stuck trying to sing the B sound. If it doesn't work, take another. Try with V or Z. Take the sound that works for you right now. In this video I showed you an example with only one warm-up. But if you want to learn more useful warm-ups, you can check a video by clicking the link here or in the description. Practice this exercise as often as you can, and soon you will see the results. If you guys have any questions, you can drop them in the comment and I will be happy to respond to you. Or if you want to book a lesson with me, just write on this email. You can also find it in the description. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like and press subscribe, not to miss new videos and your chance to sing better. It's Andre.mik. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos. Bye.